Hello. The question is how to motivate a child or bring enthusiasm in them that they join either scouts or volunteer so that they would get experience and friends. The best way is to share your experience with them. When you join, what did you go through? What did you find interesting? But also share with them your struggles, because I'm sure there were. It's not easy to just join, because there might be fear if you look good, if they will accept you. It might be fear if you are doing a good job. There can be many things going on with us when we are joining something new. So just share all this with them. How did you experience it? What did you find interesting? What were you scared of? And then how did you break through that? And what did you then discover? Like what opened up? What was possible when you break through your fear? And that is exciting. That's what children, teenagers love to hear. And that is what pulls them then into action. And they might say, hey, all right, this could be worth to try. Maybe on TikTok, at home, in my bed, I won't find what I want to do in life. Maybe I need to go out and experience things, since human beings are, we need to experience things to know if they're real or not for us. But don't share only where things were good. Share also the struggles. That is the most important thing, because through struggles, they know you're human. You're not demigod. And then they can connect to you. And if you overcome it, and in their mind, teenagers are always better than their parents. If you overcome it, they can overcome. Pretty simple. Alright, so here it is. See you next time. Until that time, enjoy, have fun. If you have any questions, just ask them in comments or email us zalive.eu, and see you around. Bye bye.